Check this out. On the screen in front of you is a huge commission payment I just received of over $12,000. That's money I generated online, which I'm now about to withdraw straight into my bank account. But how did I make that money? Well, all I had to do was simply copy and paste a secret link this brand new AI software created for me, and I was able to secretly hijack multiple high-ticket payments of $997 over and over again. I didn't need to do anything complicated or technical, and I certainly didn't need to spend a dime to make this money. Thanks to a $2.4 billion AI ChatGPT loophole, I simply press a few buttons and I'm in profit. And the best part about this huge payment? It's just one of several I get on a monthly basis. Here's another of $8,197, and here's another of $6,832, all withdrawn straight into my bank account. So if you're sick and tired of not getting the results you deserve online, then listen up, because we have the ultimate ticket and high traffic commission solution that is going to enable you to do exactly what we're doing to generate these huge daily payments of $997. Until now, this ultimate traffic and commission solution has been kept underground, and we've been using it in our online business to generate huge daily high-ticket payments of $997 over and over again, and to generate free buyer traffic every single day. Thanks to the success of this brand new traffic solution, we finally decided to reveal it to the world, and we've developed a brand new cutting-edge technology software for 2023 that lets you clone exactly what we're doing to get free buyer traffic by tapping into this super secret underground traffic loophole, where all we're doing is simply copying and pasting a few simple links that the software creates for us. Even if you're a newbie with no tech skills and no previous experience, this will work for you. What we have you here today has never been done before. It's 100% new, unique and fresh, and I'd love to introduce you to the brand new Commission Beast AI, the software and system that exploits a $2.4 billion AI ChatGPT loophole to make us thousands of dollars in high-ticket commissions. Beginners and pro marketers alike are loving Commission Beast AI. It's the most powerful software my team and I have ever created that has enabled us to easily hijack high-ticket payments of $997 over and over again and get free buyer traffic on demand. If you can follow these 3 simple steps, you'll be generating free buyer traffic starting today, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life you've always dreamed of. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Copy and paste. Log into the app, activate the AI high-ticket feature, and copy and paste your link. Step 3. Enjoy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the unlimited free buyer traffic that Commission Beast AI brings to your secret link 24/7. Yes, it really is that easy. If you can follow those simple steps, you'll see success with the Commission Beast AI software system. This software has been created from the ground up for beginners just like you, so you can finally see real results online. What's so great about the Commission Beast AI system is that it gets you free buyer traffic from a $1.2 billion traffic source. And for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard word, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. This software and method has allowed us to legally hijack high-ticket $997 payments and redirect them straight into our accounts, in addition to getting an automated stream of free buyer traffic on demand. And remember, all we're doing is simply copying and pasting one secret link to make this happen. This is the laziest income solution that you'll find online, and barely takes a few minutes per day to see great results. We created Commission Beast AI for beginners and newbies to finally break through and get the results they truly deserve. This is our best, most powerful free traffic software we've ever created. And the best part about the Commission Beast AI software system, there are no monthly costs. And to top it off, you're also getting free buyer traffic built in. Commission Beast AI is a dream come true for anyone who's trying to succeed online. The included over-the-shoulder training will get you up and running fast while showing you how to get the best possible results. This is a 100% newbie-proof system and formula that has enabled us to crush it online for years. And now it's your turn to replicate the exact same system. Below this message, you'll see complete details and results from real users of this world-class traffic system. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique free buyer traffic system is going to cost you a fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that, considering most softwares, tools, and resources that do similar tasks not only start at around $97, but typically charge at least $47 per month to run. But today, you won't be paying $47 per month. You won't even be paying $27 per month. No, not even $27 a month. As we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to remove the monthly fee completely. When you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal. When you act right now, you can get in for a one-time price without monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy meals for 2 at your favorite restaurant. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 100 plus brand new money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below. Please note, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk with our unheard of, no questions asked, 180-day money-back guarantee. Yup, that's right, you're getting 180 days to try this out. If it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. So hurry and take action right now, because the price of Commission Beast AI is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want free buyer traffic with our 100% done-for-you brand new traffic app, click the buy button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Commission Beast AI at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new traffic app. Then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. I'll see you on the inside.